Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So tonight all I'm going to be doing is just driving around a little bit. It's been a while. I'm going to zoom out here so we can get a better POV sort of. Now my dad bought me a GoPro, or like a similar to a GoPro camera, but I got to go get a SD card. I've been procrastinating it forever, so I gotta go get one of those so I can do actual POV driving. And my phone mic crapped the bed, I think. It must have got wet or something, so I just have the original phone mic. I don't have an external phone mic that I was using. So I definitely wanted to get some draggy runs in, but I only have one headlight, so I'm literally just kind of cruising on the back roads. I gotta order some new headlights. I don't need to get pulled over for a friggin' headlight. I tried to fix the stabilization. It's just, it is what it is. If it's shaking a lot, it's because I'm on the stiffest suspension settings. It's the only way my fenders don't rub against my tire. So if you don't watch the Q50 videos I have posted with the Q50, I'm now running JB4 and I'm getting like 12.7 at like 110 miles an hour. So I definitely think it's faster than this, but we are gonna race. So I'm gonna hopefully this weekend try to get it lined up against the TL, or the Q50 and the TL race each other, if the weather works out. And yeah, see how it does, because I'm still curious. I feel like the G-Force definitely feels stronger in the Q50 now, so I think I'm around like 330, maybe 340 wheel in the cold, like with the Q50, and this maybe 300. I know I dynoed 287, but that was on a like warm, really muggy day with high humidity. So I think now in times like this it's 300 wheel. Now I do gotta get retuned for the single exit, and I need some adjustments for the 4-inch intake, because it doesn't seem to be running like it should. If you watch the C43 AMG race, like the car cut out on me mid-race, so I checked all my spark plugs, my coil packs, everything looked good. So I don't really know what it could be other than the air-fuel ratio is off. My knock control is around 1.06, and it's just staying there, and it used to be like 0.8. So I don't know. I don't like it being over 1, but figured I'd give you guys something to watch with the TL, because you don't really watch the Q50 videos like some do, because they actually had a TL and then got a Q50, or they're thinking about getting a Q50 over their TL. So bumpy and my exhaust is so low, I'm scared to rip it off. I definitely would like to get a brake upgrade one of these days, hopefully next year. I'm gonna try supercharging this. I know I said turbo, but like, I don't know. I'm still undecided, but the only thing with the turbo is I'm gonna have a lot of downtime, and just like, I hate having downtime because I don't get to drive this thing too much as is. So it's just nice to actually not have any downtime. With the supercharger kit, I would have everything I would need to not have. So with the supercharger kit, I wouldn't have any downtime. It'd be like a weekend project, and I could make a nice detailed install video. And I do love the sound of the supercharger. Now, That's not to say that I won't go turbo, but for now, I feel like the supercharger, for the extra couple grand it's gonna cost for the kit over like customizing a turbo, I'm just better off getting the supercharger kit, because oh my god, I don't know how people have so much money, but it must be freaking nice. They're probably like, who's this loud ass car? Like, people got money. Like, what are these houses? They're huge. But yeah, a lot of those big houses, they got like crappy cars, and they drive like cars that are old and rusty, but they got a big house. Because I'd rather have like a nice cars than like a super nice house. That's just me. I drive my car every day. It's where I get my enjoyment, and a house, you just eat, sleep in it. Like, doesn't need to be fancy. I grew up in a trailer, so I definitely think I can get in the 12s now, quarter mile. Like, I did take out with the passenger seat gone and the new exhaust, like I've lost another 100 pounds, and I was at a 1308, and they say 100 pounds is a tenth of a second, so just with the weight reduction alone should put me in the 12s. Now the thing is, in the winter, this thing doesn't grind into second, so I can definitely shift a lot quicker into second in the winter. It just seems like the transmission fluid, the OEM transmission fluid, likes the cold. In the warm though, it's friggin' so stiff, it grinds, it's annoying. So anyways, this is kind of just me rambling on, trying to give you guys something to watch, I guess, but I don't really trust revving it right out, like without the tune for the exhaust, but it's still fun just revving it to like 6 grand. So anyways, but we're definitely gonna line up with the Q50 and see how it does. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm definitely gonna do a full updated mod list video, because I'm not gonna do anything more performance wise. I would like to push the NA limits, but it's too much. It's too much money. Like, I'm not gonna spend money on a built motor. The built motor costs the same as a friggin' supercharger kit, so I might as well just put a supercharger kit, see how long it lasts, and then once the motor lets go, then I'll friggin' get a built motor. But right now, I'm pretty much just praying and hoping that the crypto goes up. Like, it's been going up like crazy, but you know, it's just a matter of getting the right one. Like, I didn't have any XRP. I have SHIB and CRO and Atom. Like, those ones I feel like are gonna go up. I just gotta wait for them to go up. SHIB is still up, like, you know, 300, 400, 500% or something, but since the bottom. But I need my portfolio to double, and then I'm gonna get I want to get a supercharger, and I definitely gonna need a new clutch. I'm thinking of trying Clutch Masters, and then I definitely want to get a downpipe, exhaust, and real tune for the Q50. So if my crypto portfolio can just double, I mean, some gotta like go 4x, 3x, but there's still a lot of potential to do that. CRO is really low. It's got the potential to go 5x right now. Atom, same thing. So SHIB, it should double or triple, and then I'll be able to get all that. Just kind of hoping in the new year it goes up. People just don't like to invest when there's talk of world wars and nukes and stuff like that. So it's still been doing pretty good since the start of November. So I'm really happy that it's going up, but I need it to go up more, and then I'll sell and we'll get this thing boosted. And then hopefully that'll get the viral video, and then I'll get all my money back. because if I boost this thing and put a clutch and, you know, all that, and it's still just, I'm still only getting like 1,000 views a video with 1,500 with my friggin' almost 8,000 subscribers, then I'll most likely be selling it and switching platforms. Because as much as I love the car, people say, oh, I don't do this for the money, I do this because I enjoy it. Like, I enjoy it, but with the family and stuff, it takes time. It takes a lot of time to make videos. Like, I enjoy driving cars and I enjoy modding them, but it takes a lot of time, a lot of money, and if I'd rather spend money on, you know, passive income and not having to work anymore. So this is kind of just, I'm just, you know, hoping that YouTube does take off one of these days. I know I would get more subscribers if I showed my face, but I just don't feel like doing that right yet. So anyways, most people aren't probably watching all this nonsense of me just talking, but I just wanted to keep you guys updated and what's going on with the TL and life and all that. So recently I had a son. I just don't feel like spending all my extra time on YouTube making content. Like, I work full-time and some, so YouTube is just kind of like a side hobby hustle type thing. So like I said, if once I boost and I don't get the views I'm looking for, or I don't care about views, I just care about revenue, but views equal revenue. So, like, I'm not doing this for clout, I'm not doing this for fame, I'm doing this strictly for money. That's it. I appreciate all those who watch all the videos and comment and like. It definitely motivates me to keep going. I know that the TL does like 3-4 times better every video for views than the Q50, which is understandable. The channel is literally based on the TL. That's where all my subscribers pretty much came from. So what type of videos you guys want to see? I'm gonna do a full mod list. I'm gonna do a full cost breakdown. I'd like to get some POV driving. I never got that in the summer like I wanted to. The GoPro camera type thing my dad bought, it's not fitting my head mount, so I gotta see if there's one specific for that brand. It's like a Kansas or something like that. I forget the brand, but yeah, it's I just need to find a mount that'll mount the head mount, because holding the cell phone like this, the arm gets sore. It doesn't really give like a good angle, and you know, you gotta drive with no hands when you're shifting, so it's not ideal. But anyways, thanks for watching. Like I said, let me know what you want to see. We're gonna get some draggy runs in and some racing. There's a guy local. He has a full bolt-on tune, 9th gen Accord 6.6, so we're definitely going to line up. I asked him if he winter drove it, so he does, so good thing. We'll definitely have to get lined up one of these days when our schedules match up, and then I want to race the Q50. So those two races were definitely going to happen. I'm not sure if the OG subscribers will know, like, I raced that BMW 335i xDrive, so he wants the rematch, and now he's like, when I raced him I didn't have much mods. I got a lot more now, but I think he's got a tune now, so it's N55 with a tune. I think I'm gonna get destroyed, but it's worth the try. And then if I get destroyed, I also want to race him with the Q50, because the Q50 is now running like low 14s, 60 to 130, and the best I did with this so far is a low 15. I think it's a mid 14 now, but mid or low at best. But we'll have to try it out when I get a headlight. So, alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.